Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Yeah, that's how you say we done right there. Woo, Jay, I'm too turned. Where the wheels at?
Over there.
Man, we gotta get the wheels, man. He got the fluid in there. There's no leak?
Not right now.
All right. All right, we'll see. The clutch is in it?
Clutch in it?
You sure?
Yeah, we just gotta go back and adjust it later on.
All right, all right. It looks like it's done, man. You like you know what you're doing, Jay.
Cool.
What about my tail light?
I don't know yet. We got a clutch action,
Clutch.
brake action.
All right.
Auto.
We gotta get some gas. What
Get
else?
some
What else
gas
we need? What else we
and
need?
hopefully we get some spark out of this motherfucker.
There it is.
The only wire I got is back here. I don't know what this is. I gotta look it up.
That's a safety hazard. I thought you said safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
Ooh, that new gasket in there.
Let's get in there.
Where my airbox go? Right here?
Yeah, your about months right here. We don't need that right now.
All right. What's them clips go to? Is there a top to it?
The what? Yeah.
So I don't have the top to mine.
Yeah, you need to top to yours.
How much them tops go for?
Just gonna have to look them up.
Damn.
Hopefully we get some spark out of it. Now we're gonna have to.
So go ahead and get the tires now.
Yeah.
Get the tires off.
And your radiator cap. No weight. No weight.
You know what?
No weight.
On hand.
Right here.
OEM gas cap. $55.17 before tax. What's up, my employee discount, bro?
Yeah, that is a discount. Yeah, that is a discount.
I gotta check my damn invoice. Ooh, that thing look good.
And safe.
All right. So, man, I was finna shoot a little video just the bike. Hey, man. The sun shining again in here. It is not good for creating content, man. I thought you was trying to go viral. So, man, you said I got to get what? I'm supposed to write the list down.
You got the socks hangers right here. So, you know what I'm saying? It'd be nice and tight right here.
Exhaust hangers.
Yeah.
Let me write that down.
A little like this.
All right.
This one is gonna break anytime, see?
Don't break it.
No, I'm just saying.
Struck the ass little dude. Hey, you trying to break my shit, man?
You gonna order new ones anyway?
Yeah. So exhaust hangers, what else? this shit down. Exhaust tankers. Man, that intake look pretty good up in here. I ain't gonna lie to you. So exhaust tankers. You said how much them things going for? About 30 bucks?
No,
More expensive?
like 12 bucks.
I can get them from Vito's.
Yeah. Yeah, they do the heavy.
We on all fours now, people. We are on all fours. Man, we almost have liftoff. We almost have liftoff. Jay, you say everything that could go wrong, but you said the motor is tight.
Kick it. Kick it right now.
I heard you over here earlier doing something. Oh yeah. Everything in that bitch rotating.
Huh?
I know it got some decent compression. It don't seem like it's too hard though.
No, it's not. It's a stock build. You know.
So the more compression, see, there you go.
The higher gas you need and all that.
Hey Cody, I'm recording over here, fella. Oh, my bad, Jay. Hey, motherfucker gonna be trying to sleep. I'm gonna crank this hell up.
Nah, well, we'll see. You gotta go get some gas. Still cleaning the gas tank.
Gas was real nasty. Gas tank.
Gas tank was real
We
nasty.
put, what was that?
The petcock was gone. It was deteriorated.
It didn't even have those tubes on it.
Yeah, so luckily I had one in stock. And we didn't have to wait for that. Because that would have been tragic. We would not try to start it today. It would be out of, I mean, we could just put like a little container here and fill it up with gas and just feed the cars, but I'm ready to get this over with. You know what I'm saying?
You done.
Yeah.
He tired of fucking. He tired of fucking with me, folks.
You know what I'm saying?
I done got on his nerves.
You know what I'm saying? Need to
Hey,
move on.
this man need to see a therapist.
Yeah, I need to move on.
He emotionally scarred from dealing with me.
You want to get on it right now? I just tightened the pegs.
All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what this look like, man.
Put it in here.
Let's
I
see.
got you.
Tell me how I look when I get on there, man. Now that the pegs is safe, I ain't gotta worry about that. Let me see how I look on here. Keep me safe, man. Make sure I'm safe. That's exactly how I'm gonna be jumping on it. And then you go see me just take off. Ooh, me.
Don't go up on the steering wheel because we still got that nut down there.
So don't yank up on it.
Yeah, I'll link up on it.
Just hold down on it.
We need some headlights. Come in along. Come in along.
Man, them blue hoses look.
Kick it.
That shit look really crisp.
Kick it.
That shit look really crisp. Them blue lines on there. I want the green though.
I have to kick it harder than that. Kick it harder than that.
What was that, Dad?
Oh, that was just a can. That was just a can. How did it feel?
Man, I damn sure don't want to keep on kicking this shit with the tennis shoes on.
Alright.
You know what I mean? It's been a minute since I kicked something, had to feel that peg right there.
Yeah.
And like when I be seeing people having all that shit on their stuff, like when they be having all those nets and everything, I be thinking like, how do that affect how you kick it?
Yeah.
Like I understand scrape plate, but man, without that bumper though,
We need a bumper later on and all that good stuff.
oh shit, man.
You guys don't know what just happened, man.
This bitch start talking.
You got no. Look at me.
Woo! That bitch start talking.
Basically one start. Cause you know I had to do like a little troubleshoot.
Mm-hmm.
Basically 2 kicks.
Cause you say you didn't have no spark at first.
Yeah. So we
Man, you really shaking.
Yeah. So we troubleshoot it.
So you got like goosebumps right now, like
Yeah. Well, not goosebumps, but I'm ready to go.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Ready to ride it.
Mm-hmm. With no brakes.
Whew. All right, let's put the gas tank back on.
All right. That bitch shot through there though. Yeah, put the gas tank back on, man. Hey, man, hey. We heard the pop pop, pop pop, pop pop, cuckoo, 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 and then he like, oh shit, hey. I'm over saying, wow, wow.
I'm impressed. I thought it was gonna be a little. It was challenging because we had to do the whole key thing, but
We had to troubleshoot the key.
yeah, the key's bad, so
Okay.
I was getting no spark. So we got to get a key, and yeah, man, it's awesome. I can't believe it.
Man, it smelled like smoke. I wish the viewer could smell this
Yeah,
shit.
that's why I wanted to.
Like, hey, he troubleshooted this. This is the key. That's bad. So, gotta get a whole new key switch. But, man, we right there with it. It's about to start. It's a JSP monster right here. Uh-oh, what you got there? New hose?
Yeah, I gotta get a little longer hose for there. I don't like how it fit the first, the version 1.
Mm-hmm.
It's got that lighter for it too.
Yep. You keep all your lines crispy, huh?
Always, because that's how you. First, you can make sure you're getting gas, fuel to the carbs. That's one thing.
But I'm saying though, like you just always swapping out your
Yeah,
lines.
plus it looks, more, a little bit better,
You said that's the least you could do, huh?
Yeah.
Cause like when you show me how you do your maintenance on your shit, I'm like, man, I ain't never seen anybody do that much maintenance on their machine. Just so man, I need to do them internal reads so I can get rid of that little canister thing.
Get you the V4s,
How much them is?
300 or 200.
Whoo.
They worth it. They're definitely worth it.
Man, but everything now is just an upgrade from this point forward.
Yeah. Basically.
The upgrade costs just as much as a lot of the basic shit, like more. The plastic's probably more expensive than any one individual piece on here.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I remember that crank was kind of
Yeah,
kind of 500. That's the one thing. I think that's the most expensive thing on here.
I'll do it like that for now.
Man, another thing too though, you did a lot of this stuff in house,
Yeah, bro.
and so you gave me fair prices because I want to know where to take the place to do the carburetors. Like if I had to do it all individually, and that's why I kind of like doing the dirt bikes and stuff like that a little bit better because I could deal with one mechanic.
Yeah.
As opposed to with a car, you need a transmission specialist, a suspension expert. You need
all that bullshit. Unless you got somebody like me that does it all.
Yeah. Pop your shit, man. I want to hear that kick, so I'm going to record it from back here.
Yeah. Just let me clean up a little bit, man.
Man, we got enough footage for like 2 weeks if I cut it and chop it, but you know I'm finna put it out there for them folks, man. What you got to tell them people, man?
Nah, man, if you need a bike, if you got something that you want to, you know what I'm saying, keep for the rest of your life, hit me up.
Hey, you man that one dude with Lavelle, he said get your bike right, get your money right, get your bike right.
Yeah, I mean, of course, if you come, you know, you got to have your money right because everywhere you go, it's like that.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't just over here, but, you know what I'm saying, I got the tools, you know, I got to charge. These ain't cheap. This ain't Harbor Freight.
Damn, what you got against Harbor Freight?
Nah, I'm just saying.
This ain't no Pittsburgh.
This ain't no Pittsburgh, homie.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? This is my baby right here. You know?
You use that every day?
Not every day, but when I do my heads, cylinder head and all that.
Oh, for your Banshees and stuff?
Yeah, for the build. Yeah, man. So Blaze, man, he better have that wallet ready. I'm not playing. Yeah,
Man, how much I owe you now?
Man,
I'm indebted for life.
I just heard it. I don't know. I just heard it. I'm gonna have to charge you a little more. Oh, yeah.
It sound like it run hard.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but you be all right.
Hey.
I'll put that smile on your face. Look
Hey,
at
it
that.
sound like that bitch run hard.
You know what I'm saying? I'll put that smile on
Hey,
your
I'm
face.
saying when it's like wop wop.
You know what I'm saying?
This thing is so far from perfect, but it's just like just to know that where it count at right now is A1, the heart. You know what I mean? Like, just look how amazing this thing look. All I need though is to get that punch thing, to hold that thing you was telling me about.
Still want to do a little tuning and stuff.
Get them V4 reeds to get rid of that canister. I never seen that canister in nobody else's shit.
Nah, a lot of people take them off.
Do it take away from the horsepower?
Yeah,
So it's restricting my horsepower?
yeah, think so.
Man, so how fast you think this thing gonna go? I was saying about 75.
60, 75. 60, 70.
How fast you think yours is?
About the same with me on it. 80 maybe. Mine's quick. I top end. Mine.
Oh yeah.
I ain't good, bro.
Well, yeah, you laugh because you like, yeah,
Yeah,
you nice, Blaze, but you ain't ready.
Yeah, you ain't ready for that, Blake. You
I already see.
ain't seen.
Hey, I'm gonna have to put it in a setting where I know I'm gonna win.
Too bad we can't ride it right now.
Why not?
the 19th, bitch.